Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then use your credentials or your social accounts. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to change your password, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now within the settings page, click on security and now you will see the change password option. Just type in your current password within the current password box and then enter your desired new password underneath within the new password section. Finally, enter this new password once again within the confirmation section and then click on the Save Changes button. And now you will be told that your password has successfully been changed. Once your password is changed, you can use your new password in order to log into your account on Fiverr. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.